Janitorial staff are still working to clean what some might call the worst sprinkler flood in the little building's history.
I opened the door, I was like, oh, it's gonna be fine, like, this is gonna be good. And then I opened the door, it was not fine, like, it was like a rainforest in here. Like, it was straight up raining from the ceilings, and like, I was just like I was in shock, and I just like started laughing. I was like, what is happening? This is ridiculous.
According to David Hayden, Associate Dean of Students, the sophomore that knocked the sprinkler head, causing thousands of dollars in damage, will have to compensate residents for their losses.
It smelled like baby diapers with like that have been Febrezed. Someone's trying to like cover up a baby diaper with Febreze. That's how they describe the smell.
Over 36 students were affected during the flood that caused the entire residence hall to evacuate at around 2 in the morning. The alarm sounded and flashed for well over 2 hours until a worker was able to turn it off.
They like offered everybody like places to stay. I know a couple people who went home who live locally. One of my mates just stayed with people on the floor. Everybody like kind of came together and it was really great. Everybody helped out to like help everybody who was affected.
For Simpson News, I'm David Weiner.